We are here at Heritage Pointe at the Georgian, and I am here with Mickey. And Mickey, it's always wonderful to see you. How are you doing?
I am great. How are you?
I'm doing well, and it's always fun to come out here. Now, this is a 55 and plus community, and you know, today we're going to be talking about, to start, you have 3 great homes that are available right now. So what can you tell us?
They are move-in ready and they are gorgeous. We have 2 basement homes. One is our 3-bedroom, 3-bath, right on the golf course line. And we have a Brazelton, which is our 2-2, and it has a full daylight basement as well. And then we have a beautiful slab Brazelton, which is just like this model home.
And this model is gorgeous.
Everybody loves this model. So we have one that's the exact same floor plan, and it's ready to go too. If somebody wants to purchase a home, we are offering $10,000 toward their closing costs, or they can buy down their interest rate, which we're seeing some of that currently in the market.
Well, it's nice to have those options. And if someone isn't quite ready to move right now, but maybe they're interested in learning more, you do also have some pre-sales as well. So what can you tell us about those?
Well, we have 6 lots that we have released for pre-sale currently at this time. And they are going to start in the 380s. And I have a secret, but you got to come see me.
Okay.
And that secret is we have a brand new plan. And I can only tell you if you come see me.
Okay, yeah, you have to come see Mickey to see it. And you know, for people out there that maybe aren't as familiar with the Georgian and some of the wonderful amenities here, what can you kind of tell us about this neighborhood?
Well, this particular neighborhood, I know everybody that lives here and they're fabulous people, would make great neighbors for anyone. We have our own amenity package. We're a gated community built around the perimeter of the Frog. Even have a cart pathway that goes up to the Frog so you can go eat lunch, dinner, play some golf, and it's a great place to live.
Come and check out the Heritage Pointe at the Georgian by Artisan Built Communities, and you can always go online to discoverartisan.com.